Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to shorten the links on our site using the Petri Links plugin. First, we need to go over to the left bar where it says plugins. We are going to click on our new, and on the search bar we are going to type Petri Links. And this is the one we are going to use, the Petri Links link management, branding, tracking, and sharing plugin. This will allow us to make a short link to our site and keep tracks of how many clicks it has received among other things. So we are going to click on Instant now, and then we are going to click on Activate. And now we are going to go to the left bar where it says Petri Links. We are going to go to the options first. And here we have some default options. We have the links tab. We have the redirection. Select the type of redirections you want for your newly created links to have. And we can select these three types. Get cloaked redirects JavaScript redirects anymore when you upgrade to Pro. We can enable the tracking, default all new links to be tracked, enable nofollow, add the nofollow attribute by default to new links. This will add nofollow and no index in the HTTP response header when enabled. It comes on by default. Enable sponsor, add the sponsor attribute by default to new links. This will add the sponsor in the HTTP response header when enabled. And we can enable a permalink fix. This option should only be checked if you have elements in your permalink structure that must be present in any link on your site. For example, some WordPress instances don't have the benefit of the full rewrite capabilities, and in this case you need an index.php included in each link. For example, as you can see, index.php instead of the one who doesn't have it. And in this case, for you, then check this option, but the vast majority of users will want to keep this unchecked. So we are going to leave that unchecked. And for the reporting, we have the tracking style. Changes the tracking style can affect the accuracy of your existing statistics. Extended model must be used for conversion reporting. So it comes normal by default. It could be an extended tracking for model stats and slow performance, or simply click count tracking, less stats and faster performance. And we can select to exclude certain IPs for the tracks, and we can auto trim the clicks. It will automatically delete hits older than 90 days. And it will filter. We can activate the filter of robots in our site. For the replacement, it's for the Pro version only. So it's the auto create links, the Petri bar, and the social options, and the poll. So we have made all the changes we want. So we are going to click on update. We're going to add a link. We are going to Petri links, add new, and it works quite easily. We are going to give it a title, link 1, and here we can choose the redirection type, and we are going to use the default one, 677, and we can select the target for the URL. In this case, it will be where the link takes us. So we are going to paste an URL from an image on the media library, but here you can add any link you want, and the Petri link, it will go like this, shorten it completely, and we can add a slug here. We're going to add link 1, and if we click here, and the only thing we need to do is paste this link to wherever we want in our site, and this link will take us to the target we have selected. And here on notes, this is a field where you can enter notes about a particular link. This note field is mainly for your own link management needs and isn't currently used anywhere in the front end. So we are going, for the example, I'm going to paste the link here, as you can see, the address, and it has the slot I have selected on the end. We have some advanced options. We can activate the nofollow option, the sponsored option, the parameters forwardings, forward parameters passed on this link onto the target URL, and the tracking that comes on by default, and we have some options for the pro version. Once our link is done, we are going to the right here and we are going to click on update. That's it. And now we are going to click, and here we can see the number of clicks for the links on our site. So that's it. We have shortened the links on our site using the Feature Links plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.